Alright, so today we're going to look at a short answer. Takes place of our calendar today. So it says, Miss Johnson loves Starbucks coffee. Today, while waiting to place her order for her non-fat white chocolate mocha without whipped topping, she noticed the prices for the 3 sizes that were available. She could order a tall, which is 12 ounces, for $3.55. A grande, which is 16 ounces, for $4.25. Or a venti, which is 20 ounces, for $4.55. Which size is the better deal? Explain. Okay, so let's read again. Miss Johnson loves Starbucks coffee. Today, while waiting to place her order for her non-fat white chocolate mocha without whipped topping, she noticed the prices for the 3 sizes that were available. She could order a tall, which is 12 ounces, for $3.55, a grande, which is 16 ounces, for $4.25, or a venti, which is 20 ounces, for $4.55. Which size is the better deal? Explain. Okay, so we have to look at what are we being asked. What are we being asked is which size is the better deal. Well, in our head, that should trigger when we had that let's make a deal and we were looking at the different products and looking at which one was a better deal, which one were you getting more for your money. So when we were doing that, what were we using? We were using unit rate. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to find the unit rate of all of these. Remember that we first start out by writing our rate. So that would be $3.55 over 12 ounces. And we would do that for each one of these. And we're going to do it down here so we don't have to do it all up here. This is just our thinking space. So we need to figure out which one of these has a lower cost per ounce. So let's start out with our restatement. Okay. This one is not as most of them you can just restate your question, but this one's going to need a little more explanation. Which size is a better deal? Let's start out with out of the sizes tall, grande, and venti, comma, blank is the better deal. Without doing any work, I can already explain my answer. I know this because I found the unit rate of each drink and blank had the least cost per ounce. So not doing any work, I've already, if I go down here to races, I've already restated and I've already explained. Now all I have to do is find my answer. So let's go ahead, keep everything very neat. Let's look at our tall. The tall is $3.55 for 12 ounces. Remember, unit rate, we're trying to find out how much is it per ounce. And we can use calculators for unit rate. So I'm going to get out my calculator. If we don't have calculators out, that's fine. We can just use what I get. So we divide by 12 and divide by 12. In my calculator, I put 3.55 divided by 12. That gives me this long number, 0.29583, repeating. So we have to round to our nearest cent. So 0.295, I'm going to write this up here, 0.295. Here is my cent. Looking back, that 5 tells me to bump it up. So that would make this 30 cents per ounce. Okay, next is Grande. Grande was $4.25 for 16 ounces. And we want to know how much is 1 ounce. So to get from 16 to 1, I divide by 16. What I do in the bottom, I have to do on the top. So 4.25 divided by 16. It gives me this big long decimal again. You guys can't see, it's got a glare on it a little bit. But I can write it up here. It is 0.2656. Well, I'm looking for my nearest cent, so I go back behind it. 5 tells me to bump that 6 up to a 7, so the Grande is 27 cents per ounce. Last, we have the Venti. The Venti was $4.55 for 20 ounces. And I want to know how much per ounce. So I'm going to divide by 20. Divide by 20. 4.55 divided by 20. That gives me, in my calculator, 0.2275. Here's my cent in the hundredths place. Look back at my 7. That tells me to bump it up to a 3. So for the Venti, it is 23 cents per ounce. So you've got 30 cents per ounce, 27 cents per ounce, or 23 cents per ounce. Well, which one is the cheapest? It is the Venti. So where I put my blanks, I'm going to put Venti. And since I've already got it underlined, let's go ahead and box it in so it stands out. And we're going to actually do this twice just to make double sure that they see that this is our answer. So we have answered. We have also circled our answer. And down here we have showed all of our work. So there we go. that's how we would do this short answer.